At Daikin, we keep pushing the boundaries for more sustainable solutions, enhance in-use performance, simplify installation, and reduce our environmental footprint. Our new VRV5 is fully optimized for R32 low GWP refrigerant, reducing the potential global warming impact by 71%, offering top sustainability and market-leading seasonal efficiency. And it's geared for smart comfort.
Okay, Google, set the living room temperature to 21 degrees.
All right, setting the living room to 21 degrees.
5 sound pressure levels, down to a quiet 39 decibel, will suit any application. Ergonomic serviceability and handling are essential for installers. The new VRV5 is easier than ever to transport, thanks to its compact single-fan design. Four specially designed handles make carrying easy, and a wide access area guarantees a comfortable reach for all components. Increasing legal requirements can complicate system selection. You will have to consider possible leakage issues. Think about refrigerant concentration and look out for room size regulations. Unless you choose the new VRV5. It offers best-in-class design versatility with a fully flexible system to take care of every room. All measures are factory integrated without the need for any measures to be implemented in the field. And it complies with the latest regulations, including a third-party certification according to product standards. Our online express selection software guarantees full compliance to the latest product standards. That's why the new VRV5 is most definitely your best choice. The VRV5 offers great design flexibility thanks to its ESP settings up to 45 Pascal, allowing installation in the smallest spaces or behind grills. At Daikin, we are determined to become CO2 neutral by 2050 and create a sustainable future together with you. A circular economy, innovation, and smart use are the stepping stones on our path. The new VRV5, designed for the future.